Hello, good morning from Los Angeles. This is my live message to you in Vietnam. My pleasure. My name is Sascha VNE, and I'm giving you a small introduction, short introduction to my lecture that you'll be listening to. So the lecture will focus on soft tissue aesthetics, especially with the management and the grafting that we can do to enhance your implant site. There's a couple of points that you can take home. I put them together in 10 points, and I'll go through each one of them so you can kind of see what's important when you're improving the implant site, how can you thicken the implant site, how can you maintain the implant site to be perfect, and of course what steps do you need to do fundamentally and clinically. Then when you go through the lecture, this is also a lecture which I use all the time in my lectures, and I actually also use it, of course, these 10 points in the clinical practice. So from Los Angeles, I hope that you enjoy this. Look at it really, of course, in a way that it's fundamentally giving you the evidence. There'll be some research papers that I'm giving you. That'll be your evidence that you can talk to each other about. And then I'm giving you clinical examples of my patients with some short, medium, and long-term results so you can see really how that works when you're practicing every day with your patients. So enjoy, and I hope to see you in a few months in your beautiful country, Vietnam. Bye-bye from Los Angeles. Bye.